Learn how to add a drop-down list. A drop-down list displays a list of options from which the user can select an item. The select tag is used to define the selection list in a form. It should be defined within the form tag. The option tag is attached to the select tag to display a list of options. You can make use of selected attribute with the option tag to indicate that the option is pre-selected. Being a container tag, select tag must end with a /select tag. HTML head title using drop-down list /title/head. Body background color equals to double quote in light green double quote close. Form P. Select your right destination. P. BR. Select name equals to double quote in cities double quote close. Option selected Chandigarh. Option Kolkata. Option Delhi. Option Mumbai. Option Chennai. Option Bhopal. Option Lucknow. Option Patna. Option Shimla. /select /form /body /html. Let me now tell you how to add buttons. Once all the details in the form are entered, the data has to be stored somewhere so that it can be reused, and the form is also cleared for another set of information to be entered. The commonly used predefined buttons are Submit and Reset. Submit button. On clicking this button, the data in all the fields will be sent to a server as a series of name and value pairs. The name being the name of the form element and the value is whatever the user has entered. The data is sent to the page specified in the action attribute of the form tag. Reset button. The reset button is used to clear the contents and set default values of all the form elements to the original state and make them active. HTML head title using button /title/head. Body background color equals to double quote in light yellow double quote close. Form name equals to double quote in input double quote close. Action equals to double quote in HTML underscore form underscore action dot ASP double quote close. Method equals to double quote in get double quote close. BR. Username. Input type equals to double quote in text double quote close. Name equals to double quote in user double quote close. BR. Input type equals to double quote in submit double quote close. Value equals to double quote in send double quote close. Input type equals to double quote in reset double quote close. Value equals to double quote in reset double quote close. /form /body /html. Students, now we should learn how to add a multiple line text field. In certain cases, it might be necessary to accept several lines of text from the user. In such a case, you need to use the text area tag. It must include a name attribute, and you must specify a number of rows and columns with the rows and columns attributes. Finish this control with /text area closing tag. Example, text area rows equals to double quote in 10 double quote close columns equals to double quote in 60 double quote close. Name equals to double quote in remarks double quote close. Here, rows defines the height of the text area. Columns defines the width of the text area. The rows and columns just determine the size of the text area control. A user can type text as wide as the area is defined on the screen. HTML Head Title using text area /title/head. Body background color equals to double quote in light pink double quote close. Form Remarks Text area rows equals to double quote in 6 double quote close. Columns equals to double quote in 50 double quote close. Name equals to double quote in remarks double quote close. Enter your remarks here /text area /form /body /HTML. Alright students, let us discuss on application areas for forms. The application areas for forms on www are forever evolving. Some typical areas where they can be seen today are educational sites for collecting names, addresses, telephone numbers, email addresses and other information required by the websites to register users for a service or event. Online purchasing of orders, gathering information for the purchase of an item. For example, if you want to purchase a book or any other item over the internet, you would be required to fill in your name, mailing address, mode of payment that you want to opt for, and so on. Online feedback forms, collecting feedback about a website. Most sites that offer a service encourage users to send their feedback. Apart from building customer relations, it is a source of information for change or improvement. Providing the interface for a chat session. For example, users are required to fill out a form if they want to participate in a chat session or a discussion group. Okay students, let us take a recap of this chapter. Tables arrange data in rows and columns and provide an attractive way to represent information. The table tag has many attributes, border color, background color, cell padding, etc., which help in defining different formatting parameters for a table like width of the entire table, alignment, cell borders, etc. You can combine two or more cells either column-wise or row-wise to convert them into a single cell with the help of call span and row span attributes. A form is a collection of fields of information on a page. It resembles paper or database form where a user fills the required information. Form incorporated in web page allows a user to submit feedback, questions and concerns to get more detailed response. To collect personal information such as name, email address, credit card details to order a product or provide interface for a chat session.